single one of you looks absolutely amazing.
It's your mercy I see. It's your love. When I look into the mirror, it's your grace I see.
Now come on.
To flourish is to grow luxuriantly.
Personal branding is about finding your unique self.
It's my season to flourish. It's my season to flourish. No mental health formed against me is going to prosper.
If you want to access wealth, you need to stop pretending and start becoming real.
After I joined the program, I realized that I do have leadership skills. I realized that I'm capable. I realized that I'm actually smart.
I see the people that have plans for tomorrow, but God has plans that are longer term, that are to prosper you.
You must first love yourself. How do you love your neighbor when you do not love yourself?
Bonge uJehova mphefumulo wami. Nakho konke okuphakathi kwami makulibonge igama lakhe lingcwele. I thank God for this beautiful day that He has made for us, just to come and rejoice in this day, in this appointment that He planned years ago.
When I look into the mirror, it's your grace I see.
Ngiyabonga ngisibonela ingelosi iyangibheza yena uyangithanda.